Okay, so now after I have entered my expenses, the next assumption we need to have is that I must have entered my sales for the day inside Quickbooks POS, say through the means of cash, the means of transfer, the check, the POS, and the rest. Let's assume that I have done that already and I need to generate my report for this particular day and send to my boss so that he or she can receive it from the email and see what we have done for the day. Yes, I'm done with using QuickBooks for the day, and I've entered my expenses from the QuickBooks POS sync. So I need to close this one. Then I click on report, then single report. Then my date is already correct. I just need to click on run report. To click on run report, it might take me a few minutes before I can retrieve the data from QuickBooks POS. So I click on run report and wait for a few seconds. Okay, fine. So why does it take a few minutes before, a few seconds before the data is retrieved? Because the user in the store, they're actually seeing only one report like this. But in actual sense, the system generated more than 7 to 8 reports behind the screen. That's why it's going to take approximately, say, 45 seconds to a minute before you are going to get the report. So after this, I have two options. The first option is for me to send SMS online, which is going to send the SMS for only one report to my boss. But if I use the email, send email, it's going to generate, send the entire 7 to 8 reports to my boss email. So I'm going to click on send email. So if I click on send email, I have to watch this. If this is showing white, it means there's internet connection. If it's showing red, it means there's no internet connection. And you can see here it said internet connected. The good news here is that I, as a user, I will not have access to see the entire sum made that day. Yes, except I sum behind myself manually. I cannot see the total sum from here. I can only see total cash, total for account, total for transfer, and so on like that. So what's the next thing for me to do? I just need to click on send email. So when I click on send email, it's as if there's a problem with my email provider. So I will click on OK. And I can use an optional one. This one says email is not sent. So I have the optional SMTP. So maybe it's my internet also. So I'll click on use optional SMTP. Then I try again, send email. Good. You see that this one is successful. So I have two options to send my email. If one is not working, of course, the other one is going to work. We have here two SMTP using a particular service provider for each and every one of them. So if one does not go, of course, the other one will give you a result. So let's check our email. I'm going to close this. Now click on my email. And this is my email. Then let me refresh it. Then you can see that it's not dropping here. So it's not dropping here probably because I'm just using this email for it for the first time. So what do? I just need to go to under spam. Let's see spam, more spam. And you can see that it's sitting here under spam just because it's seeing it from that optional SMTP for the first time. So I'll click on it to open it. And I will say report not as spam so that it can enter my inbox back. And I'll go back to my inbox. Then it's here sitting. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, this is XYZ Limited for a period of 1 day, 15th of this month to 15th of this month. So it means that this is what my owner, the business owner, will be seeing at the end of the day. Then you can scroll down. This is the summary. This is the first report. Say summary, quick report. There you have say summary report in a tabular form. Then you have reversal sales report. So it means if the users they do some reversal in the application, you are going to know from your end here, even though they are not seeing it that you know about it, because they are only seeing one report as I showed you before. But as it is, they actually are sending about 7 to 8 reports to you behind the screen into your email. So you can as well question this uh, particular receipt number. Why is it reversed? They have to explain. Then you can see payment type summary, which is going to show you total cash, total transfer, total account. This is only possible in QuickBooks POS, using it with QuickBooks POS Sync as made by Microsoft. Now you can see your item item sold summary report. It's going to show you all the items that you sold and whether you made profit from them or not. You can see that at the end of the day, we have a net loss of 14,000 naira from this today's transaction. And if you take it down, you can as well see a profit analysis is going to bring in all your total sales for the day, the cost of purchase of those material that you sold, those items in your store. Then you get your gross profit, which is the same as what you have here. Then the next thing is that other expenses. This is the one that we actually entered by ourselves as we have it just now. Let me show you. So you can see that the total expenses on this expenses history is actually 6,200. So it's the same thing. So go back to it. You can see that that is the 6,200 that we have here. So you actually have a total loss of 21,000 fraction. Then you can see item received grouped by the name of the vendor. The name of the vendor. This is total items supplied by Acoms, about 10 million naira, and this total items supplied by Albrixaka also, which is about 13 million naira. You can as well question this if you think that what they have posted is right or wrong. So we have quantity adjustment. You can as well question quantity adjustment. Look at the memo number. Why did you adjust this quantity? The whole figure was actually 12, then it was adjusted to 80. Why did you do that? You might want to know. So let's go on. You now have your expenses report. The expenses report, it shows here that we have Ademola internet and we have Ademola fuel and lubricants. There was no reversal. The first one was 1,200 as we have it. The second one was 5,000 naira, making it 6,200. Then you can now see the position of your inventory valuation report, showing the names, the expiry, the selling price, the cost, the quantity, and total value. At the bottom of it, we should be able to see what is the value of stock in our business. Let me move it there. Okay, I need to view all. As you can see, at the bottom of it, we have an approximately 582 million naira as the value of our item. So this is how it works when you are using our QuickBooks POS alongside with our locally built QuickBooks POS Sync. One of those things you enjoy is you integrating your expenses into the reports you get on a daily basis from your email. Thank you.